Welcome to Everyday Delights. Today let's make easy eggless 1-minute microwave mug cakes. Before we go ahead, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest recipes. The first one we are making is of course a fudgy chocolate brownie. Let's add the sugar, oil, and the milk in a microwave safe mug and mix it until the sugar melts. To that, add the cocoa powder and the maida or the refined flour. And some vanilla essence. Give that a good mix. Let's add some salt in and mix it until there's no lumps. The power of every microwave is different and so is the mug that you use. So we suggest that you keep the cake for 50 seconds first, and if not, add 10 seconds and check. Now for the dry fruit cake, add the milk along with the saffron and heat it up so that the saffron can bloom. Now add the sugar and the oil and let's whisk that until the sugar melts properly. Next I'm adding the cardamom powder and some chopped up mixed dried fruits. I've taken pistachios, almonds, cashews and a few raisins. You can take berries or seeds or anything that you like. Let's add the flour and mix it so that we get a lump-free batter. Put it in the microwave for a minute and top it off with some more nuts and serve. Next, to make our coffee almond cake, start by mixing the sugar, the milk, along with the oil, the coffee powder, cocoa powder, and let's mix that until the sugar dissolves completely. Add lesser coffee if you don't like a bittersweet cake, or you can even skip the cocoa. Let's add the flour and mix it until you get a lump-free batter. Add some slithered almonds on top and microwave for a minute. Last, we are making some coconut cake. Start with mixing sugar, milk, and the oil until the sugar completely dissolves. Add the desiccated coconut and the refined flour along with a little bit of vanilla essence. Again, let's mix that until we get a smooth batter. Microwave that for a minute and serve it with a dollop of jam and relive your childhood memories. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. See you next time with another recipe.